Are you tired of wrestling with Excel formula, data, and charts? Well, Microsoft Excel Copilot is here to save the day. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Excel's AI-powered assistant to automate tasks, analyze data, and become a spreadsheet superstar. Let's dive in. First things first, what is Excel Copilot? Excel Copilot is your personal assistant in Excel that can help you write formulas, create pivot tables, and even summarize your data with a simple prompt. It is powered by AI and it learns as you use it. Let's start with this sales report. To launch the Excel Copilot, what you need to do is you need to navigate to the home ribbon, and then you will see the Copilot button that is available for you. By clicking on the Copilot button, you will see that a sidebar appears. Now you can actually click on the prompt and type in your instruction. Show the total sales by region. By doing that, Copilot will begin analyzing the data, and boom, a pivot chart with sleek bars and so on appears. No need to dig through the menus. You can also add the worksheet by performing the instruction add pivot chart and pivot table to new worksheet. And Copilot will then analyze what you are trying to do and it will perform the necessary action if needed. So the analysis is here already. So what you need to do is just click on the button, add to a new sheet. There you go, you will have a new sheet right now. You can also navigate back to the data to actually perform your next action. Next, let's learn how to automate formulas. Imagine you want to calculate the profit margin for each row. Normally, you have to write a formula like this of profit divided by sales. That will be the normal process. However, with Copilot, all you have to do is just instruct, add a column calculating profit margin for each row, and watch the magic happen. Here you can see that the calculation is actually displayed over here. So all you need to do is just click on the insert column button and a completely new column is being created and with the right profit margin for you. Isn't it easy? Imagine you want to highlight the rows that have profit margin of less than 10%. All you need to do is instruct Copilot to highlight rows where profit margin is less than 10%. You can check this out. All the rows that are having profit margin of less than 10% will be highlighted. All you have to do is just click on the apply button and you will be able to see the relevant rows highlighted. So over here, you will see that all the rows have been highlighted for you. Simple as typing a few sentences to Copilot. Let's dig deeper into data analysis. This time, I will ask Copilot to summarize the key trends in the data. Upon clicking on the enter button, what you will see is that, look at this. Copilot even analyzes the key trend, provides you with a line chart, as well as perform the narration for you. From here, you just have to narrate it out who requires the analysis, or you can copy and paste it into your own document. Here's another cool trick. Let's ask Copilot to show me how to optimize the marketing budget based on ROI. So by doing this, Copilot will perform the analysis and it will inform you of what is the best strategic decision in this particular instance. And you can see here, what Copilot has provided you is that it has already calculated the relevant items for you. And all you have to do is just select any prompt that it has generated for you, and it will continue to perform the analysis and provide you with the right data. So from here, what you can see is LinkedIn ads will be the one with the highest ROI. So you can also add this into your new worksheet, and voila, you have a fresh set of data that you have already analyzed. All this in under 2 minutes. Here are a few quick tips of how to use Copilot to the next level. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are very specific with your prompts. The clearer you are, the better the results you will get. Number 2, you can refine your results by continuously prompting it iteratively. By doing iterative prompting, what you are doing is that you are continuously getting a better answer. And Copilot will tweak the answer according to what you want to see. The third item is use it to learn. Let Copilot teach you how to write formulas or to create visualizations. Excel Copilot isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. So if you want to level up your Excel skills and save hours every week, start using Copilot today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the first thing you'll ask Copilot to do. See you next time.